Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I am Anita and today I will show you how to make garlic snow peas. So let's get started. I've got here 500 grams of snow peas which I have washed, cut the ends off and cut them into strips. To cut them into strips, take one snow piece at a time, cut the ends off and just cut them as thick or thin as you like. You will also need salt to taste, 5 cloves of grated garlic, oil for cooking, 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Take a non-stick fry pan, put it on medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add your garlic, give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Now add your snow peas, salt to taste, about 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a quick mix, put the lid on and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a mix again and taste your salt. It just needs a tiny pinch of salt. You can always add salt according to your taste. Mix it again, put the lid back on and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, give it a mix and turn the heat off. My garlic snow peas is ready. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.